What is up, peoples? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure hit that subscribe button, give the video a good old like and comment. Let me know what you think of what we're doing. For a small YouTube channel, yeah, I record a lot. I put a lot of videos out there, but today, well, yesterday my mate came over and gave me these. These are second-hand brand new light fixings for the garage when I do eventually get it done. So there's 4 of them there, LED bulbs in them already. So these are going to illuminate the garage eventually when we do get it built. Unfortunately, I'm not a millionaire and I don't have all the time in the world with kids and work and shit. So I get stuff done on my days off when I'm not doing anything, as you can see. Cleaning, washing kids' rooms and stuff, I'm busy. So today, obviously I'm going to throw them into my little shed out there. Hi puppy. And I bought this so I can clear off all the hedging around where the garage is going. Then I can clear off the pad and stuff, and I have a little skip bag there. I'm going to get rid of all the crap. I have a guy coming over and knocking the rest of the wall down and getting it all ready to weld up a fence so I can put a gate up and then we can start building. So yeah, come along on this journey that's taken me a very, very long time, because I'm a normal dude and this is why I film on YouTube. I'm a normal dude doing normal stuff, knocking over jackets, kid stuff. So yeah, normal dude. I'm a dad, 3 kids, house, family, wife, normal with not so normal cars, not so normal ambitions and not so normal stuff I have to do. So yeah, join me on today's epic journey of just cleaning and getting ready to build this goddamn garage. So just moving the shit box out of the way just to have a look at what we need to do around here. Skyline engine. So yeah, all this stuff, skip bag, fillet, all these stones in here, get it all sorted. This all needs to be whacked down and then all that needs to be cleaned and cut, and yeah, let's go. Magic. Like father, like son. So that's still there because I ended up knocking most of this wall down, so then I have access to just taking this fence down, getting all this in, piling up there so I can get it in the mixer. So I took up, I'll show you now, took up all that wood around the sides and the front of the pad. So I want to fill all this in with more hardcore all the way around, as you can see, all the way around, and then do a bit of concrete on top of it just to have it like a little bit lower than this all the way around. Then that'll be done. Then we can sort out all this. I need to get more hardcore, level all this out because there's a fair gap between the ground and the lip here. So I want to maybe hardcore it to here, and then we're going to cement down the slabs that I have over there. So then all this needs to be level. This is all really low. We need to take all these weeds out again, just kill them, and then get it all filled up and get it ready for those bad boys over there. We might need to get more, but yeah, it's getting there. All this wood, I'm gonna make a flower box for the neighbor because she let me knock down the wall. So yeah, that looks much better. I need to just bring it all the way down and across, and then that fence can go. I can build like a fence here and use some of these for it as well. Just make a fence there that will open and close so we have access. A lot to do. So I'm just getting a few bits and pieces done just to tidy up. Built a little flower box for the neighbour because she let me knock down the wall. Built something nice for her so she can look after it in the summer with her flowers. Now I'm just going to trim all this stuff around here, get it in the skip bag and get rid of it all. So the other day I went to Lidl to get bread and milk for the lunches and stuff for in the morning, and you can't go to Lidl without buying power tools. So I got this bad boy for 50 quid. So let's get it open. Yo, so there we have it. Nice long lead. Let's get all these cut down. Now that looks a ton better. We don't have all the overgrown crap hanging over me now. Bit of clean up to do. But yeah, most of it is back. I do need to do around here because it's all coming down into the kids' little house there. But yeah, it's coming together. She's getting there, and yeah, not much left to do. Cut the neighbours there and built out the little box that's going to get filled with soil and flowers for the summer. So just another day and not another dollar because I can't pay myself for doing this shit. Let's get it done though. Time to get rid of these and get these gone. And it's gone, and we have the Mini started. We're going to bring the Mini on a quick spin down, drop off some stuff I got welded for the lads in Capital, and get back and finish all this. And that's that gone. Happy days. This one next. Now that one was heavy, but it's time to go get rid of that out of here. So now that's all that crap gone. Garden nice and empty again. Get the cars back in. Now we can start breaking these up and using them for around the edge of the perimeter of the pad. Also need a few more for here, so that's why I kept them, and we threw a few in for the foundation for the flower bed. But yeah, it's time to start moving on this. I need to order more stones, get this all leveled out, remove some muck over here, get rid of those weeds, get a squasher thingy down and start putting in drains all up along here. Then we can do the slabs and then we can start building the shed from the steel. Now, out in the Mini, I will need to take this off the road for some maintenance during the next few weeks. I think I'll need to do some bearings or CV joints in the car. I don't know, something's clunking when I'm turning, so we'll get it up to Andy, Dub Mechanic, get it up on the ramp, have a look, see what needs to be replaced and just order it. Let's go. That's that dropped off. Let's go for a coffee. Time to save this now. Time for the Mini to do some saving again, because this thing is dead as a dodo once more. So yeah, hopefully it just starts with no messing. Because it turned over a little bit this morning. It just didn't want to start. Now, saved once more by the Daily Classic. This is why. Thanks, Mini. Put these where they belong, in the back of the Fiat, because I've only ever had to use them for the Fiat. So they can go back in there and this can go back in the garden. Good old Mini. Now with the Fiat, I'm probably going to have to dive into the electrics, get the multimeter onto it, see what's drawing power, see what's dead in the battery. It can't just be that clock. I charged 2 days ago, I turned it off, left it for 10 minutes, turned on and started straight away. So I'm going to have to go through to see what's draining it. Hopefully it's not the lights. I do have them on a switch. It can't be the clock. The clock is like tiny. It's not going to drain the battery that fast. So yeah, that's going to be it for this episode, and come back on the next episode and we'll dive into the electrics on the Fiat. Thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it. Any of my Patreons that watch the videos before it goes on YouTube's absolute legends. It's not a lot I make during the month through the Patreon or through Facebook or through Instagram and YouTube, but you know what, it all adds up, and it added up over the few months to a lot. So it paid for most of the stuff for the Fiat. I obviously put my own money into the Fiat, but I do appreciate everyone that supports the channel through my Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, everything. So thank you so much to yous who do support me through it. If you'd like to support me, link in the description, Patreon. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Obviously subscribe, like, comment, helps the videos a lot, helps the channel for the charity builds. And we do have another car. I just don't have room for it. So that's why I'm pushing with the garage now. I'm gonna hopefully have the concrete around the perimeter of the garage, get the slab sorted, and then I can start building the structure. And once the structure is up, I can park a car in there and on the slabs, and then we have room for the next project. So yeah, that's it guys. Peace out. Be dedicated. Stay committed to everything that you're doing. Dedicated to everything that you're doing. In life, cars, people, family, all the above. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.